Looking for outdoor team building venues and trainers in Kenya? For Naivasha team building packages,
Masai Africa offers thrilling obstacle challenges and strategy games, powerful in communication drills, and problem-solving adventures. We design experiences that break barriers, boost morale, and bring out the best in every team member. Whether you're a small unit or a large organization, SACCO, Chama, or church group, there is something for everyone to reignite motivation, strengthen relationships, improve collaboration, build a winning culture. Book your team building experience today. Oh, need a perfect venue? We offer hotel and conference bookings with top-tier service and convenience. And for smooth, stylish travel, count on our executive airport and corporate transport to get you there in time and in style. Visit us today at masaiafricasafaris.co.ke or call us on 0724 262626. Explore, experience, enjoy with Masai Africa Safaris.